I mean, I actually was not expecting that. I actually was not expecting that. Next fan mail today. Hi, Vice. What did I just say to you? I said no more otters. Did you not hear me? Hi, Vice. Okay, this is a shirt, I believe.